What's good, YouTube? It's your girl D-Breezy, aka Danielle, and I am back with another video, you guys. Can y'all see me? Okay. So I wanted to show you guys quickly how to put on your frontal. I already put my net on and I applied some of my powder, my foundation powder on. As you can see, I cut a little bit off. That's okay, y'all. As long as you know how to take your frontal off, you know, you good, it's okay. And I usually like to have my cap, my wig cap, I like it back. You know, I don't like it like all the way up here, like, because I want my forehead to still show, okay? I don't want to make it, I don't have a big forehead, so yeah, okay? But this is the hair I'm going to be using, and this is Deep Wave, and I got it from Love Me. If you want to know where I got it from, I mean, if you want to have the link to where I got it from, I'll put it in the description. But it's the Deep Wave, and I think this is 24. It's either 24 or 22, I can't remember. Now I put this on before, so it's already cut. If you guys want me to show you how to completely do the frontal from start to finish, you know, including the wig cap, including applying the makeup, cutting, etc., I can do that. But this is already pre-cut. It's a little small for my head, but the good thing about it, about Love Me, is they can customize it for you. So if you have, if you can measure your head and you want to go ahead and put your size in there, you can. They'll do that for you, okay? But again, this is the hair. It's in Deep Wave, and I got it from Love Me. Now, I love Love Me. I've been shopping there for a long time, you guys. I've been shopping there for a long time, and I've been buying a lot of different hair. So they have gotten a lot of money from me, but I think it's well worth it. I love their hair. It's so beautiful. But let me stop talking, y'all. I'm just chatting away, and let me go ahead and put the frontal on. So I'm working with a very tiny mirror, and I'm gonna use my bathroom mirror so I can see, okay, y'all? So, and I'm sitting down. I would usually do this standing up, but right now I'm sitting down. Hold on, let me try to get this adjusted for y'all so y'all can see. Okay. All right, so basically what you want to do is put your wig on, and when you get it, it's gonna have the full lace on there, okay? I already wore this wig, so you know it's already cut, but what you want to do is put it on and see like where you like it, you know? Do you like it far up? If you got a big forehead, you want to hide some of your forehead, then you can put it there. But I like it to kind of match my natural hairline, okay? So I don't want it to be like too far up or too far back, you know? I want it to be just right, like kind of like where my hairline starts, all right? So the glue that I'm going to be using today is called Cling. Yeah, and truthfully, they got me on social media, on Facebook. I was scrolling and I saw a video ad where I can't talk, oh my god. I saw a video ad where people were jumping in the water with their frontals on, and I'm like, damn, they Lacefront's not gonna come off. But they had this type of glue, and it's like a mega hole. And I know you probably wonder, well, like, if it holds that well, you know, how you supposed to take that thing off? But they also have remover, you guys. But I didn't buy the remover. I have another remover that I use, and it works just as fine. So yeah, okay. But anyway, Cling is the glue, and I'll put the link in the description. Okay. So I'm gonna take the glue and I'm gonna apply it to the front part of my frontal, and I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. So yeah, let me get my blow dryer. Hold up, y'all. Okay. So I got my blow dryer. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it on in. Plug it on in. Uh-oh. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna get the glue. And I'm gonna apply it to my frontal, okay guys? Alright. I mean, not my frontal, to my forehead. My hairline, whatever. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. And I'm gonna speed this part up, okay you guys? Because this is kind of repetitive. So I will speed it up. Okay, so now we're going to blow dry our hair, okay? Get it dry until it's like tacky looking. So I'm just gonna dry it for a few more seconds. Honestly, I think that's good enough. So yeah, we can just go ahead and lay our frontal down now. I'm gonna get another ragtail comb. Hold on. Where's the comb when you need one? Here it is. Okay. So, again, y'all, I already had this frontal, but I wanted to kind of go where my hairline is. So, I'm I'm gonna gently put this down. Okay. And then when I feel comfortable, use that one. When I feel comfortable enough, I'm gonna go in and press down firmly. I'm gonna do the same thing other side. It looked like a mop on my head, right? I know. It's gonna get better. Just go in and press that bad boy down. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Y'all see how I'm taking the end of the comb and I'm just kind of like making sure that it's down. Just make sure your frontal is nice and laid, hunty. We just gonna let that sit for like a minute or two. Okay, okay, okay. But it's already looking kind of good. I'm gonna have to go in and make some adjustments, like cut some. of the lace off that I missed. And we're gonna be good. I'm gonna let this dry for a few minutes and then I'll be back in a minute to style it, okay? Mwah. Okay, you guys, so I am back and my frontal is pretty dry now, so I'm gonna go ahead and style it. I have it on, it's nice and on, it's not going nowhere. See, I'm literally pulling it and that bad boy is out. Okay, okay, okay. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna do kind of like a side part. So I'm gonna go in and apply my powder foundation on the part. So I'm using this foundation powder and this is in the color dark tan. It's my MAC skin finish natural powder. Okay, and I'm just going to apply it to the fake part. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna fix it up and put on some clothes and I'll be right back to show you the finished product. Bye. Okay, you guys, so I have putting some clothes on. I put some clothes on and I am all ready. And as you can see, it's kind of like really big. And put water in it and just spray your hair. And that'll kind of put the curls back in and make it smaller. So I'm gonna be all wet. I should have probably did this before I got dressed. Oh well, it's too late now. We already got started, so we're just gonna finish it. Oops. So I wet it a little bit. I didn't want to make it too wet, honestly, guys, because I don't want to be walking around with wet hair. Okay. But yeah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All that. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.